In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and test a link in a constant contact email. Let's make this quick, clear, and reliable so every click in your email goes exactly where you want it to. First, open your constant contact email draft. If you already have a campaign in progress, head to that draft so you're working right where your content lives. This keeps your formatting intact and makes it easy to see the link in context with your design and copy. Next, click the spot where you want the link to live. Then this can be a piece of text, a button, or an image. For text, highlight the specific words you want to be clickable. Short, descriptive phrases work best, such as view the menu or register now, so readers know what to expect. For buttons, simply select the button block in your layout. For images, click the image so it's selected. A selected image will display editing options right around it. Now open the link option. On text, look for the standard link icon in the editing toolbar. On a button or an image, you'll see a link or action field in the settings panel for that block. The goal is the same in every case. Tell Constant Contact what destination to use when someone clicks. Paste the URL you want to use into the link field. Make sure it's complete and starts with HTTP for secure destinations. The safest approach is to copy the URL directly from your browser and paste it in to avoid typos. If you use tracking parameters for analytics, include them here as part of the URL. Double check the domain and any page paths so you don't end up with a broken link. Save or apply the link. In many editors, you'll see an apply, insert, or done button. Click that to lock in the link. If you edited a specific block, like a button or image, confirm those block settings as well. Then save your overall draft so your changes aren't lost. Finally, preview the email and click the link to test it. Use the built-in preview to see how the email will look to your audience. Click the linked text, button, or image and confirm it opens the correct page without errors. If your editor offers a mobile preview, toggle it to make sure the link is easy to tap and still looks right on a small screen. If anything's off, return to the draft, adjust the link, and preview again until it's perfect. That's it. Your link is added and tested, ready to drive readers exactly where you want them to go.